Hey everyone, hope everybody are doing fine. Today I have come up with a big news on Karnataka SSLC board examinations. I'm talking about Karnataka state 10th board examinations, not about other states. Okay, and all these days we were in a confusion that whether they will conduct examinations or not during this pandemic situation. But today we have got answers for all our confusions to some extent. Okay, see, definitely they are going to conduct the SSLC board examinations, and that is in the month of July. Okay, so examinations are going to be conducted. Yes, there is an exam. Okay, you can't escape from the exam. Yes, there is an exam. And when is the exam? It is there in third week. It is there in third week of July. Okay, so remember the date. It is on third week of July. So we got a relief for our confusion. First thing we got to know is yes, there is an exam in third week of July. Okay, and the next question is, how is the question paper pattern? Is the pattern going to be similar? No. Okay, the pattern is completely changed, guys. It is not according to the model papers that they have released this year. It is completely changed and it is completely student oriented. You can easily score the marks and you can easily get passed through the examinations. No doubt in that. See, I'll give you every idea about examination pattern here. See, as this is according to the press release by our Karnataka education minister. Okay, so as the news said, there is going to be two papers. You have to write only two papers. That means you are going to your examination center for only 2 days. Okay, so you are writing two papers, only two papers, right? So the paper one and the paper two. So I'm going to tell you what is there in paper one and paper two. So the paper one includes the questions from mathematics, science, and social. Okay, so your core subjects are collectively called as paper one. Okay, so paper one will have the questions from mathematics, science, and social. Okay, so altogether you will have 120 multiple choice questions in paper one. Okay, so 40 questions will come from mathematics, 40 questions are from science, and 40 questions are from social science. Okay, so 40 multiple choice questions they will pick from mathematics chapters, 40 multiple choice questions they will pick from science chapters, and 40 multiple choice questions they'll pick from social, and all together you have 120 MCQs in paper 1. Okay, so you will have to attempt 120 MCQs only. Got to know? And all the 120 MCQs are direct questions. Okay, so difficulty level is very less. Say it's a very easy way to get passed through the examinations. You will have to just attempt 120 MCQs from paper 1, where 40 will come from maths chapters, 40 will come from science part, and 40 questions will come from social chapters. Okay, so all the three subjects you are attempting in a single day in a single paper. Okay, fine. And coming to the paper 2, will have your subjects, will have your languages like English, okay, and Kannada, or whatever the language you selected, and then Hindi. Clear? And here also 40 questions will come from English part, 40 questions from your language, and 40 questions from Hindi, and all together you have 120 MCQs here also. Okay, so paper 1 will have 120 MCQs and paper 2 will have 120 MCQs. So only two papers you are going to attempt. That means only 2 days you are going to examination center to write the examination. Okay, that also MCQs. 120 MCQs in paper 1 and 120 MCQs in paper 2. Okay, this is all about the examination pattern and the question paper pattern this year. So no need to worry, guys. It's going to be an easy exam for you all. You can easily score and you can easily get pass through these examinations. No doubt in that. But the thing is, you should definitely prepare for this. See, so far you would have prepared for writing essay type of answers, but now you have to concentrate more on multiple choice questions. Say, to answer multiple choice questions, yes, definitely you should have clarity on the concepts, right? See, here, concentrate. This is the suggestion from my side. Concentrate the multiple choice questions which are there in exercise part of every chapter. Coming to science and mathematics, say, I'll talk more about science now. Science, each and every chapter has exercise questions, where in every chapter there are 2 or 3 multiple choice questions on every chapter, right? So concentrate those exercise questions. Maybe they are asked directly as it is in the examination, or they would pick from different concepts also. So concentrate on all exercise multiple choice questions, and now work with more multiple choice questions. And from our channel side also, we will help you out in this, and we will come up with multiple choice questions on various chapters, that is on important chapters at least. So that way we will do 100% justice from our side, just to make you perfect with your examination. Okay, so now all our misconceptions were cleared. Now just we have to focus is towards the examination, and get motivated yourself and be focused and achieve success in the examination. Fine. And I'll tell you one more good news for all second PUC students. If you have your sisters and brothers, you can inform them. See, second PUC examinations have been completely cancelled. Okay, so there is no second PUC examination this year. They would produce the result of second PUC based on first PUC result. Okay, so they will give gradings, say A, B, C, this way of grading. They will give this year for the students, and that is also based on the first year examination. Okay, so you can inform your brothers and sisters that second PUC examination is completely cancelled. But we cannot cancel 10th examination, because see, if you see the last year, 9th examinations also were not being conducted in the schools, right? 9th, you were just promoted to the 10th without any 9th examination. So, they can't promote to the 11th based on, your 9th result, because 9th exams have not been done, right? So just because of that, they plan to conduct 10th examination, and it is well and good, right? If you write the examination, you will have that confidence, and you can proudly say that you have achieved the result on your own, right? On your hard work. This is all about the today's news on examination. But one more condition is applied here. Keep it in a mind that, see, they will conduct the examination, that is in the month of July, only if COVID situation comes under control. Okay, but if the situation is not under control, you may have chances of cancellation of these exams. Okay, only if the COVID situation comes to a control, then they would conduct the examination in this particular pattern. But if the COVID cases increases gradually, day by day, if the third wave comes and whatever it is, you may have chances of expecting cancellation of exam. Okay, but as of now, don't think of cancellation of exam. Better write your examination so that you will get confidence, and you will at least get thorough with your basics or your syllabus, right? So examination pattern, anyway, it is much easier, and it's very easy to score also. Only thing is to focus on various concepts. Okay, so from now onwards, stay focused and show some interest in your studies, and get maximum marks in your examination, and stay safe and stay healthy. That is more important, right? And don't get panic seeing the situations outside. Everything will become calm and cool. So hope for the better days to come, and just have a positive attitude towards every aspect of life, right? So take the things as it comes on your way. That's it we can do. And with this, I will end the video, and in my next sessions, you can expect me coming up with more and more multiple choice questions relating to science and mathematics, right, will help you out in solving multiple choice questions, chapter wise multiple choice questions, or topic wise multiple choice questions, right? So all that things we will be doing in the future videos. So stay focused and stay motivated, stay healthy and stay safe. All the best, guys. Thank you so much.